Did you know that in America, about 70% of homes have mold? Depending on the type of mold and the quantity, it can wreak havoc on your health. When you're renting a property, that responsibility falls on your landlord. And if the landlord doesn't take care of the property, it may affect your health. That's what happened to my client, Laura. She was a resident at a large apartment complex in Orange County that had a history of water leaks and mold that were completely undisclosed to her when she moved in. I'm Eric Strongen from Strongen LLP, and tenants like Laura are injured every day from unsafe or uninhabitable living conditions. Laura's ordeal began in an apartment in Laguna Niguel. She moved into a property that had a history of water leaks. When she eventually noticed one of the leaks, they failed to address the problem and she got sick. And Laura's condition continued to deteriorate over time, even though she lived a healthy lifestyle. When the landlord eventually came out to her apartment, they sent an unlicensed handyman to do the work. Eventually, Laura learned that she was living in a mold-infested environment, and she was diagnosed with COPD, or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, stage 1, a life-altering condition. Under California law, landlords are required to maintain habitable living conditions. And in Laura's case, the legal duty that the landlords had to her was blatantly disregarded. And that's when we got involved. Fighting a mold or habitability case requires 3 key things. First, you have to establish the landlord's knowledge of an uninhabitable condition. Second, you've got to establish a link between symptoms or injuries and the condition of the property. And finally, third, you have to prove the amount of damages. But dealing with landlords, property managers, or even an HOA is challenging because of the insurance coverage issues, which often exclude coverage for mold-related claims. Their only incentive is to fight you in court and pay you nothing. We stood with Laura against the landlord and the property management company, and in the end, we were able to obtain a $1 million settlement on her behalf. Nobody is better equipped to help you in a mold or habitability type of case than our law firm. We've handled hundreds of these types of cases and have a track record of success. Even the defense lawyers recognize this and will often refer us cases. Don't navigate your mold or habitability injury claim alone. We know how to go the distance, we're willing to go the distance, and we're willing to make your challenge our climb. Give us a call today to schedule a free consultation.